I'm going to change this wig. See how it is? I'm going to change it into this.
No one in my life could ever try to make me better like the way you do. Can't you see I'm standing? Can't you see I'm coming? Only going higher, baby, with you.
Hi everyone, welcome back to neknatural. How are you people doing? I believe you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show how you can change this. You can see it's an old wig, old synthetic wig. It's been long I have the wig. The wig is about 2 years. So I'm going to do on how you can coil it to make it look more pretty and good to wear. So that is what I'm going to do on this video. So let me put it on for you to see how it is before I coil it. See? Can you see how it is? It is not good. So I'm going to coil it using the perm rods. So let's see how the outcome will be. This is the back. This is what the back is looking like. So let's go into the tutorial to see how I do it.
K to the E to the K, Kekay.
CBC every time I want to do. Promise in a time when you gotta go. She wants wider. To my gypsy girl, for something to myself. She wants wider. She be money on my place. She looking on my eye order. He wants wider. She be moving so quick. You never see her coming.
She wants to wander.
She on me heaven.
Yeah.
Now so me say.
She wants to wonder, want get high grade. From a distance, baby, I'm going insane. Red crowns, baby, come to my aid. Shorty said he busted my brain like a migraine. Your gain, my gain, your loss, my pain. Slow down, the way you go down. You know now me they run the whole town. King of the city, cause I wear that gold crown. So give it up for bad man, better than Batman. I didn't impress these dogs and kill these cats, man. Rats, man, these other guys are rats, man. When I get on stage, all they do is clap, man. So make you join me in my Bugatti. Join me in my Bugatti. Only you in my Bugatti. Only you in my Bugatti.
See my gypsy girl, something to myself. She wants wider. He be money on my place. She looking on my eye order. He wants wider. She be moving so quick. You never see her coming.
She wants to wander.
She on me heaven. Now so me say.
She's like the baddest girl me I ever seen. Something like a queen. She your number one lover. Hot and cold, you be begging her please. No, if you tell me on, I'll take you on, then I'll put you on, girl. Feel me now, the thing that you want, I got it on, girl. See me falling, fall from my sky, panties are dropping, throwing the towel. She's a professional. I think I'm lost in the love life. We came strong together. She got a strong desire. Up to the morning after. Now she's moving on.
To my gypsy girl, something to myself. She wants wider. He be money on my place. She looking on my eye order. He wants wider. She be moving so quick. You never see her coming. She wants wider. She on me heaven. Now so me say. She wants wider.
There is a girl so lovely to me. She is the reason I dare to believe love can be simple, pure and good sometimes. And I take her heart with me wherever I go. She's one in a million. She helps me to grow. The life that she gives is something I need to survive. And I'd go to the sun and back for her love. I'd walls to collapse there in her arms. Pretty my baby, I can't stop calling her Daisy. She is my whole world, she is my heart forever, my girl. In her eyes take me back to the moment she saved me, conquering my dreams, honest and true. Wrote this for you, Daisy. No empty spaces, no empty lines, fills them all with one of her smiles. She is a temple meant to be worshipped, adored, adored.